Functional and non-functional requirements of a URL shortener. A URL shortener looks simple on the surface. You paste a long URL and get a short one back. But before designing the system, you first need to define what it should do, functional requirements, and how well it should do. That will be the non-functional requirements. The functional requirements define the features the system must provide. They answer the question, what should the system do? For a URL shortener, the primary responsibility is creating and managing short links that users can safely share and access. The system should accept a long URL and generate a unique compact short URL. For example, you give a very long example.com/article system design /xxx, and that should give you a short.ly/any acronym. Now, every generated code must be unique to avoid collisions while remaining as short as possible. Number two, a functional requirement will be when a user visits the short URL, the server should immediately redirect them to the original destination. This is the most frequently used operation and must be extremely fast because every click depends on it. Optional features that many production systems also support are the custom aliases, link expiration, automatic expiration pages, or invalid or expired links. These improve usability while introducing additional validation and storage requirements. Now let's come to non-functional requirements. These describe the quality of the system. They answer the question, how well should the system perform? These requirements determine whether the service can handle real-world traffic reliably or not. For example, the availability and performance. Redirects must always be available because users cannot recover a broken short link. They should also complete in just a few milliseconds, so clicking a link feels instantaneous. URL creation can tolerate higher latency, but redirects cannot. The second non-functional requirement is scalability and durability. A URL shortener should scale horizontally to billions of stored URLs and thousands of redirects per second by adding more machines instead of upgrading the server. Once a mapping is created, it must never be lost because broken links in emails, QRs, code, documents, or social media cannot be repaired later.